Hey everyone, welcome to day one of our 30-day affiliate marketing masterclass. I'm so glad you're here because today I'm setting the record straight about affiliate marketing. No jargon, no fluff, just the reality. If you're dreaming of passive income or just curious about how people actually make money online, you're in the right place. Let's be real for a second. How many times have you seen those flashy ads? Make Rs 10 lakh a month, work from Goa, live your best life. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? But here's the spoiler. Most of those promises are pure fantasy. Today, I'm breaking down what affiliate marketing really is, the top 3 myths that trip up beginners and what it actually takes to get started. Here's our roadmap for today. First, I'll explain what affiliate marketing is and how it's different from things like dropshipping or MLMs. Next, we'll bust the 3 biggest myths that confuse everyone in the beginning. And finally, I'll give you a quick, actionable guide so you can start today. Yes, today. So, what affiliate marketing? At its core, it's simply earning a commission by promoting someone else's products. You join an affiliate program, like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or even your favorite brand. They give you a special link. You share that link on your blog, YouTube, or even WhatsApp. If someone buys through your link, boom, you earn a small commission. Think of it like being a digital salesperson. But instead of going door to door, you're actually helping people find products they might love. Let's say you're a coffee lover. You join a mug company's affiliate program. You write a blog about your favorite mugs, and every time someone buys using your link, you earn $200. If 1,000 people buy, that's 2 lakh rupees without stocking a single mug. Now let's clear the air on some common myths. Myth 1. You need a massive audience. Reality. It's about having the audience. A niche blog with just 1,000 loyal readers can earn way more than a huge page where nobody really trusts the recommendations. Myth 2. It's passive income from day one. The truth? You need to put in real effort up front. Create content, build trust, learn a bit about SEO, basically help people genuinely. But once your content is out there and ranking, that's when the semi-passive income starts to trickle in. Myth 3. All affiliate programs are scams. Nope. There are plenty of legit ones. Amazon, Shopify, even Indian networks like QLinks. The trick is to promote only what you truly believe in. So, ready to start? Pick a niche you love. Maybe fitness, gadgets, parenting, or even gardening. Join 1 or 2 affiliate programs. I'll link my favorites below. Then make some simple content. Write a review, shoot a quick Insta reel, record a YouTube video, whatever feels easiest. Remember, your main job is to help, not hard sell. If you're excited for this journey, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Tomorrow, we're diving into how to choose a super profitable niche. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And before you go, grab my free affiliate marketing quick start checklist from the description. Everything you need to start strong, plus my ebook AI Content Empire. 50 chat GPT prompts to start today. Comment below. What niche are you thinking about? Let's brainstorm ideas together. Thanks for watching, and remember, success is built one day at a time. See you in day 2.